Creating dashboards, reports, and pulling data can be quite easy as a data analyst, and getting self-service answers from tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Excel can be even easier when you're working as a business stakeholder. In fact, building these self-service tools is one of the primary focuses of leaders and executives across various organizations. And with new AI tools on the horizon, executives and leaders are even more eager to create additional self-service tools to try to provide answers at even faster speeds and without the help of data analysts. But what if I told you that many times the data that's currently being surfaced in these visualization tools and these AI tools is not actually all that accurate at all? That's right. Just because you have answers does not necessarily mean you have the right answer. Unfortunately, what nobody really seems to talk about is how many times that data is wrong and how things could go wrong along the way from receiving that stakeholder request until the final output is presented to the stakeholder and even the interpretation of that data by the stakeholder. In this real-world case study, I'm going to show you all of that. I'm going to show you a simple stakeholder request that could probably be answered in about 2 minutes. But then I'm going to dive in and I'm going to show you how wrong this answer is on so many levels. Then I'm going to show you how to fix that problem and how to solve this problem in the right way so that way you can function as a high-value data analyst and protect your organization from making some really bad business decisions. By the end of this video, your eyes will have been opened to a new understanding of how to really work as a data analyst and drive value for your company. When you do so, you'll be seen as a high-value data analyst, which will lead to becoming a high-paid data analyst. So let's dive in.